Hi guys. Okay, so we are going to have a ghost dance party today, as you can tell by the music. Woohoo! Okay, so I am participating. It's a weekly challenge where it's a Halloween theme, and this week it was Goosebumps. So my idea was to do ghosts, and Goosebumps, pretty much their colors are like a purple and that lime green color, when you think of Goosebumps. So I thought, okay, let's put it in my, I guess you can call it this funnel thing, even it's that bottle top, and let's see what happens. Again, this is kind of how I paint. I do something and then see what happens, and then I was going to put the green around it, and I'm like, no, let's go ahead and do another funnel thing. And but I will comment and say, look at those cells that I got from the first one. I was pretty impressed by that. But anyways, so yeah, what we did, we just put these colors in here, and if you didn't catch the colors the first time, I did put them in the description box. Yeah. So this Instagram challenge is pretty fun because it's keeping things interesting. So having to create things and kind of go out of the box, because trying to think, okay, Goosebumps, like what am I gonna do for that, and how do I create ghosts? So I decided to pull out my spoon for this, because I knew that my balloon couldn't create ghosts, and maybe I could create ghosts by blowing it, but I figured a spoon could do that. So you guys will get to see that here in a little bit, but I figured I needed to create a background for the ghosts, so that's what I'm doing now. But this green and purple is ugh. If you wanted some slimy, nasty, this is pretty much, yeah, that's kind of what I was going for. That slime kind of look, and I think I got it. Totally. So, you think of kind of Ghostbusters kind of idea. Yeah. But yeah, we are working with a new color today, the Extreme Sheen Amethyst, which is the darker purple, the one that isn't so pinky, and I actually really like it. So I was pretty impressed by it. Okay, now we're going to pull out the spoon. So I went ahead and just poured a little dot, and then, oh, there goes my spoon. Now, as I'm working with the spoon, I ended up getting better and better, but I figure, let's just see what happens, see what they do, and there we go. There's my ghost. So now some of these ghosts, they end up turning into like Medusa kind of look. But I figure all ghosts look different. So, you know, no one ghost is the same. So, you know, but, I mean, yeah, this one, whew, he got some tendrils going on there. But, you know, we had fun with it. But, pretty much you can just, the spoon is pretty cool. I really like working with the spoon. I guess it just depends on how much you fling the paint, if you want to call it, when you put it down, depending on how much of the tendrils you get. Because like if you look here, I'm flinging it pretty good. And also like over here in this section, we got a nice mixture of the lime green paint going on with the ghosts, versus later on I go up higher and it's more white, where the paint is thinner. So it just this was kind of definitely an experiment in a way to see, you know, kind of how it works, you know, how the paint interacts. And see there, I didn't fling it so much, and I got more of a rounded, less wispy look going on. So, you know, it just all depends on how you actually use the spoon. So, yeah, it's kind of cool. Now here I went ahead and I was dipping the toothpick in some of the paint that I had come off the canvas board, making eyes and nose just to make it look, you know, like the ghosts instead of just wispy things. You know, kind of, because R.L. Stine had made them, you know, like caricatures, you know, kind of, I don't even know, fantasy, you know, kind of thing. So I was kind of, see there is no wispy flying things. Yeah, see, I'm starting to get the ghost down. But anyways, here they're dancing kind of against each other. But anyways, I was having fun with it. But yeah, so this was supposed to be just a test, but then it turned out pretty good. Now up here, I ended up doing some more, but then I ended up not liking it. It ended up being too wide, and I don't think there was enough paint to make it. It just ended up being a blob. So I was like, yeah, I don't like that one. So you'll see I ended up changing it a little bit. So now this one, it turned out okay, but I couldn't just leave it. I don't know. Yeah, it didn't end up turning out okay. I was like, yeah, no. So I ended up covering it up. I was like, yeah. But what's nice is, as you guys have learned from watching my videos, and if you're new here, you can watch my other ones, that everything can be changed if you have the patience to change it. All you have to do is get your balloon. Balloons work very nicely. You just have to be patient. So I went and I did that, and I'm like, oh yeah, no, that's not working either. I actually thought I had screwed up the painting. I was like, uh-oh. But then I was like, okay, let's keep working at it. Let's keep going. And then I go and I put paint on the balloon because it was a technique that I had seen. And I keep working it. And then I decide, okay, well, I'm going to frame the picture. And then it ended up working out. So I was lucky. It turned out okay. So never give up. Again, that is the motive in Pipi's paintings. Never give up. So we have ourselves a ghost dancing party. Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. And make sure you go and check me out on Instagram. We have a lot of fun over there, obviously. Doing all these Instagram challenges. Keeps me busy for sure. And here we are, adding the faces again. And if there's something that you want to see me do, just comment below, because I'm open to suggestions. And here I was just emphasizing the eyes that I already put down, because I want to make sure they showed up. Now here's the wet reveal. I think it turned out pretty cool, actually. And see, those top ghosts are like actually awesome. And we can just say the bottom ones are dancing and their hair is going wild, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. Very, very cool. I hope you guys enjoyed, and next week we will have a new challenge. All right, have a great day.